Storm Chaser Justin Selig. We are near the Kutztown area right now. See a beautiful thunderstorm behind me right now. This is severe warned at the moment. There was a little bit of a rotation area up in Hamburg. Looks like that's since faded. I did have somebody send me a picture though of rotation clearly visible in the clouds. It did not appear like anything spun up, but beautiful storm here. Look at this. Nice warm air in front of this thing. And obviously behind the shelf cloud, you have that rain cooled atmosphere. It's definitely going to drop the temperature a good bit, which is great because it's been 95 degrees all day. But yeah, look at this thing. Amazing. Beautiful storm. See the corn's getting a little crazy here. There's actually a little bit of a rotation in there. On radar, it appears to be a little bit of a notch. So definitely watching that area right there. It's getting a little windy now. Definitely a huge change in the atmosphere from that warm, moist, humid air. This looks so cool with the corn blowing as the storm's moving over. Such a neat scene. We are just barely under the shelf cloud right now in the whale's mouth section of the storm. And it's getting a little dusty. You can see some blowing dust down that way. If you guys can see this or not, there is a big old dust storm popping up over here. Just lots and lots of dust going. Here we go, lots and lots of dust popping up. I don't want to drive on this concrete, but here comes the wind. It's about to get a little crazy. Oh man, here we go. Here we go. Easy. 50-mile-per-hour winds right now. Oh, here we go. Wow. Just rolling into this. There's trees down all over in this lane. There's trees down all over. We got trees down all over here. Looking down this road, you can see there is trees broken all the way down. You can't even see what's down there. Just nothing but trees down. And actually, it's hard to see. The top of this tree up here is completely snapped off. One heck of a storm. Got another tree down across the road here. This one looks pretty decently sized. And that tree came from up here.